Guys, this is my dad's best macaroni salad on the planet. It's a fan favorite every single time he makes it. And every single time I make it too, because I make it all the time. So we're going to start off with, we're going to boil the eggs, and then we're going to let them get cold, and then we're going to boil the pasta, and we're going to let that also get cold because we're mixing mayonnaise into this, so we want to make sure that everything is cold when we start. So then we're going to peel all the eggs, and then we're going to cut it down into bits, but we want to make sure that the bits aren't too small where people won't be able to get a nice little bite of egg when they're biting into the macaroni salad. So we're going to separate the egg from the egg yolk, and we're going to put the egg yolks in the bowl because we're going to mix that up later. Just finish doing this real quick. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to take 2 cans of tuna fish, and we're going to strain the juice out using that little strainer. If I could add it to my shop, I will. Then we're going to add about a half of a cup of mayonnaise, and then we're going to add a can and a half. My other half can went to my dogs. So then we're going to add some onion powder, some garlic powder, some celery seed, some dill, and then lastly just a little bit of salt. Now you're going to do all of this to taste. You can always add some more, but you can't really take out. So definitely don't add too much salt. Don't add too much anything. It's about a teaspoon of each. And then I realized it was a little bit too thick, so I added a little bit more mayonnaise. Mix it until it's all nice and mixed. Looks good. I'm going to give it a taste test. And then we're going to cut. Actually, there's going to be a total of 4 pieces of celery, but we want to make them into small little bits. So I did this first one. It's been a while since I made this, so I definitely did it wrong this time, and it took me a long time to cut it, so definitely follow this way instead. So we're going to cut it down the long way to make little small bits, and then we're going to cut those small or long bits into really small bits way faster than what we did with the last one. Give this a good mix. Make sure we've got enough in there. I'm going to use about a half of an onion, and we're going to slice this into really small bits. We're just going to make sure all of the pieces are separated. We're going to take that, we're going to mix that all in. And there's the finished product. Look how beautiful and fresh that looks. So good. You guys are going to really enjoy this recipe. I'll see you soon. Bye.